Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to all. I'm Hazlinda Binti Idris, lecturer from Electronic Engineering Department, Politeknik Tuanku, Sirajuddin. So today I'm going to present my research titled "A Study on Level of Awareness of Lecturers in Engineering Department at Politeknik Tuanku, Sirajuddin regarding the use of fire prevention system." Okay. Okay, for the introduction, as we know, in sectors involving high-risk activities, occupational safety and health issues are from paramount importance and need to be emphasized. This holds true for higher education institutions, especially those offering engineering courses that involve laboratory and workshop. Usage in teaching and learning, such as Polytechnic, Tuanku Sirajuddin, which has electrical and mechanical department. Okay. Regarding to according to Abdul and Sumati 2010, safety has increasingly been neglected in the pursuit of globalization and rapidly advancing technology, and accidents can happen at any time and anywhere. Fire is one of the causes of accidents that can result in significant losses and have negative implications for the socio-economic development of society. Therefore, awareness of the dangers of fire needs to be instilled among students, considering several incidents of fire in educational institutions in this country that have resulted in property damage and even loss of life, according to Matlin 1998. Okay, fire can occur at any time, whether in unconscious or unconscious state. Every individual should possess knowledge of fire, theory, safety measures, self-rescue technique, how to use fire prevention, equipment available within a building, as well as the law and regulation established by the fire department for a given building, particularly school buildings that accommodate students who require appropriate protection, according to Muhammad Hafiz 2018. Okay, according to the Malaysian Fire and Rescue Department, for multi-story building, fire prevention system must be installed in each building in compliance with the established acts and standards. Fire that occur in multi-story buildings result from several factors, including a lack of awareness among the public regarding prevention system and safety issues that are taken lightly by users, according to Norgia 2020. Fire prevention systems such as fire extinguisher, sprinklers, and break glass devices within buildings can help contain the spread of fire if building users know how to use this system. Okay, for problem statement number one, fires can occur at any time and anywhere. Building safety should be emphasized to prevent fire incidents. This can be achieved through proper maintenance of supply system and the provision of more efficient fire warning systems to reduce the impact of losses that not only affect the institution reputation but also have long-term effect on mental and emotional well-being. Furthermore, the destruction caused by fire can result in the loss of property, workplaces, residence, and place of learning for those involved. Okay, number three. Okay, next is the main factor contributing for fire is negligence and a lack of awareness of the environment. Additionally, safety issues are still often overlooked by the public when engaging in high-risk activities that could be led by fire. Some individuals do not comply with the guidelines and regulations set by the Fire and Rescue Department. For instance, business premises such as factories, shops, and other often neglect safety aspects when operating without necessary firefighting equipment, according to Cairo Down 2001. Okay. Carelessness among occupants can lead to fire incidents. Knowledge of fire suppression method using fire extinguisher and sprinkler system can prevent can prevent early stage of fires. Fires are easily to control within the 4 minutes. Within the first 4 minutes. Therefore, early fire control is crucial in that the level of destruction due to fire is minimized. Hence, studying the level of awareness among the lecturer regarding the use of fire prevention system in building is very important to ensure that building occupants remain vigilant and understand the importance of using fire prevention system. Okay, for the objective, number one is to examine the factors influencing the level of awareness amongst users regarding the use of fire prevention system in a residential building, and number two, to analyze the level of awareness of building occupants concerning fire prevention system. Okay, for the research scope, this study was conducted at Politeknik, Tuanku Sirajuddin, among lecturers in the Department of Electrical and Mechanical Engineering. The study aimed to determine the level of awareness among lecturers in the engineering department at PTSS regarding the use of fire prevention system. The study did not involve academic support, staff, and institutional leadership. Okay, for the research methodology, based on the literature review, concept framework for this study was delivered, guided by previous researchers, Mackenzie Padersokov, 2011. The conceptual framework for this study consists of four structures representing the factors influencing the level of awareness. Okay, the first one is the first construct relates to fire safety guideline that can be used by user to promote good practice in using fire prevention system. Okay, the second one is focus on fire drills that can enhance user knowledge to evacuate using the fire prevention system provided in building. And number three is pertain to the establishment of emergency response teams involving building users. Finally, the fourth one is about user awareness of having their own fire prevention equipment in their homes. This study was conducted using survey method with a questionnaire. The research findings were analyzed by using SPSS software. So for the research methodology, so this is a four focus, which are guideline, fire drill, safety management knowledge, and user attitude and response. Okay, for the population sample, the study was conducted among lecturers in electrical and mechanical engineering department at Polytechnic. The study population consists of 77 lecturers from both departments. The study population include lecturers serving at Politeknik Tuanku Sirajuddin, and the sample size was determined based on Cauchy-Morgan tables. For the research instrument, a questionnaire was used as the research instrument to gather information and data. The questionnaire was distributed online and respondents answered via the provided Google form link. The data and information obtained were necessary for the analysis and conclusion regarding the level of awareness among building users regarding the use of fire prevention system in building. The survey questionnaire consists of two sections. The first section pertains to respondent demographic, which is 6 questions. The second section is 9 questions, assesses respondent awareness to ensure the safety of the institution's building. Okay, the section also focus on respondent knowledge in reducing fire risk and their response during a fire incident at the institution. This questionnaire was based on Norgia 2020 and has been tested for reliability. Okay, for the research finding, the analysis of the research finding is presented in this section. A total of 63 proposedly selected sample. from the lecturers in electrical and mechanical engineering were chosen for this study to assess the level of awareness. Okay, the regarding the use of fire prevention system. Okay, descriptive analysis of frequency percentage, mean and percent for each item in the survey questionnaire will be discussed. This level of awareness has been discussed. The level of awareness among building users regarding the use of fire prevention system consists of four factors, which are guidelines, fire drill, safety, management knowledge, and building user attitude and response. Testing was carried out on all these factors using survey questionnaire consisting of 9 items divided to represent each factor. The determination of the awareness level was adapted by Asri Harun 2016 to ascertain the level of awareness among lecturers in electrical and mechanical engineering department at Politeknik Tuanku Sirajuddin regarding the use of fire prevention system, where the mean is divided into very low, moderate and high. The analysis of the research finding indicates that the level of awareness among lecturers in the engineering department at PTSS regarding the use of fire prevention system is at a moderate level, which are mean of 3.14. The main contributor to lecturer awareness level is the factor uh, of building user attitude and responses with a mean of 3.46. Two items representing this factor both recorded a moderate level. Respondents are moderately aware that the misuse of fire prevention system can pose risk during a fire incident, and the building must be left in a safe condition even in emergencies. The factor with the lowest mean is the fire drill factor, which has a mean of 2.69 out of the two items representing this factor. Item 4 had the lowest mean. Item 4 is related to the staff exposure to fire prevention equipment handling. Okay, for the conclusion, based on the analysis of the awareness level among lecturers in the Department of Engineering Polytechnic, regarding the use of fire prevention system, the finding indicate that the awareness level is at a moderate level. Among the four factors studied, only the fire drill factor record a low mean. Other factors such as guidelines, safety management knowledge, and building user attitudes and response recorded moderate means. According to the research finding, the primary contributor to lecturers' awareness level is building user attitudes and responses. This indicate that lecturers in the engineering department at PTSS always ensure and emphasize room safety before leaving the room. Lecturers are also aware of the importance of fire prevention system in reducing risk during a fire incident. Overall, the study found that good guidelines can enhance the awareness level of lecturers in the engineering department at PTSS. Knowledge and attitudes also play a role in further increasing lecturers' awareness. The awareness level of lecturers in engineering department at PTSS can also be further elevated to higher level through regular training. Okay, that's all for my presentation, my research presentation for today. Thank you so much.